Hillary of Creative Faith, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello to the Creative Faith family. Today I have another bullet journal video for you guys. Can you believe we made it through August and it is almost September? I have just had the craziest month and you guys will see that reflected in my spreads. And so today what I'm going to do is give you guys a flip through of what happened in August and you might be pretty shocked. And then I'm going to show you guys my setup for September. And now I'm filming this on Friday, August 29th, I think, or 30th. 30th, for sure, Friday the 30th, it says right here. And tomorrow I am moving to a brand new apartment. And I just got back a few hours ago from the beach, so I am really scattered. Half my stuff is in the new place, half my stuff is here in my old place. And so there were some things that I wanted to show you guys in this video that are at the other apartment. And so you'll just have to kind of bear with me as I go through this flip through. And I also want to tell you guys I'm doing an awesome Labor Day sale. And so here you'll see on my Etsy store, everything is 40% off. All the printables, all the digital kits are 40% off. And so in this video, I use the Consuming Fire kit for my August spreads. And then I use my Dancing Leaves set for my September spreads. And then also, I was really wanting to show you guys these in person via the video, but they're at the new place. But these are some brand new notebooks that I have in my shop for fall, and I will put a link in the description box to these, as well as all the cuttables on my digital kits, and links to the Consuming Fire and Dancing Leaves and my bullet journal printable, because you'll see all of those in this video. But definitely head to my shop and check out these awesome notebooks. They are perfect for the fall, for journaling and taking notes. So I'm really excited to show you guys more using those. So like I said, 40% off all the digital content in my shop. So definitely head to the description box below and check out those links. So here is my August spread. I started off with the cutest spreads. I am totally obsessed with how these turned out, and in my August plan with me, definitely check out that video. I talk a lot about how to bullet journal when you're busy, and I actually have a whole bullet journal playlist that I'll link below for you guys to check out. So I have my gratitude on this side and my title page on this side. I loved mixing in the magazine elements. I just think it looks really cool. And you'll see though that I didn't do this a whole lot, didn't keep up with my habit trackers a ton. I was in Mexico for a week with the high school youth, and I have a vlog all about that I'll link below. But that kind of messed up my schedule, and then moving also is just been really chaotic, so I haven't kept track of things as much as I should have. But I loved using these habit trackers. I think it looks really cool on top of the magazine piece, and these are available in my bullet journal planning printable. And that printable has all of the possible calendar options, and that way you guys can buy one printable and use it again and again and again. And then I did a new sleep tracker for August, and I love how it turned out, and I end up using it for September too. So here is my first week in August. And then I did a Mexico adventure, so I have like my boarding pass and a shirt we wore and from Chocolate Cafe and little bits and notes from the trip. So I love how that turned out. And then this is the end of my August spreads. So you can see I kind of run out. I didn't really keep up with any weekly spreads and just have very basic to-do list for personal and for my business for Creative Faith. So kind of boring. And I thought like, oh, should I add some stickers before I film? And I was like, you know what? No, this is real life and you guys need to see that. So September, I worked on this when I was at the beach. I love how it turned out. I am so ready for fall, for cooler temperatures, for hot drinks, and fall leaves. Sweater weather, boot weather. And so I used my Dancing Leaves kit. A cool thing about the kit, it comes with a tree and a bunch of different kinds of leaves. And so I print the leaves 4 to a page, and so it makes them the perfect size for the tree. I printed the tree on clear sticker paper, which I'll link below. And then I printed the leaves on just normal paper, printer paper. And then I'll do my September adventures here. So I'll make a little collage of things that happen in September. And I added this cool tree ring washi tape to make like a frame. And then in here I used one of my favorite alphabet stamps from Sweet N Sassy Stamps, Typewriter Block Alpha. And I will link this in the description box below so you guys can grab it. It's my favorite alphabet stamp. You'll notice that I used it down here for August as well. And then this is another Sweet N Sassy stamp, and I'll link it down below. I wanted to have it here to show you guys, but it's at the new place. But I thought it matched really well with the washi tape rings, and the only downside was I used Distress Oxide ink, and so you can see it bled through. I tried to kind of cover it up using a leaf, but next time I would definitely use a chalk ink instead of a Distress Oxide ink. And then I have that same new sleep tracker, which I really like. This habit tracker page is one of my favorite pages from the setup. I used the leaves from the Dancing Leaves printable in the background, and then I used the habit trackers on top, and then I used Distress Oxides in the background but as like a paint, and it didn't bleed through, so that worked out a lot better for me. But I just love how it looked. Again, I printed all these on clear sticker paper, so it just looks like they melded into the page. So I love that. And remember, all these printables are 40% off through Monday, Labor Day, 2019. So then I have my gratitude tracker. So I thank you God for, and all the days in the month. This is a part of the printable, and then so is this. It says seasons change, but God never changes. And then I wrote out, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. And it was really cool because I was showing my parents all these spreads after I finished, and my dad said that my great-grandma used to say this at the end of meals. So she would pray at the beginning of meals, and then at the end of the meals she would say this. And I just thought that was really special and something I had never heard before. And so that was really neat to get to hear from her, hear that about her. And then here's my first weekly setup. So I have the calendar, and I highlighted which days of the week. So it's that first week. And so I'll put my events here for that first week, and then I'll put to-do list here. And my sister's getting married on September 15th, so there's going to be a lot of things to do, a lot of things going on. And another thing, I used a watercolor set from Angeline over at Dots and Dust to do the majority of the pages. So like the September, the to-do, all of that, and all these habit trackers, sleep tracker, all of those I used her Elementary My Dear paint, watercolor, homemade watercolor paints. And the same with this background. I used that same watercolor set, and I love how it turned out, and I will link Angeline's Etsy shop in the description box below too. So that is a look at what my my August and September setup look like. So August was not the greatest bullet journaling spreads, but we all have seasons like that where your bullet journal might just look like this. But I'm excited for September. I'm excited for fall. I'm excited for all the changes God has in store. And I look forward to sharing more fall spreads with you guys. I wanted to know, I had planned on doing a fall bucket list. And I want you guys to let me know in the description box below if you guys want to see me do that and like film my process of setting that up. So if you want to see that happen, leave me a comment down below, and if you guys want to see that, I would love to film that. I think fall bucket lists are really fun, and there's a lot of cool things to do in fall. So Let me know if you want to see that. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye!